Hi guys, today I am going to do a small special makeup and which I've got products of Swiss Beauty. So I would like to show you Summer of Swiss Beauty, the latest ones which I bought, and Summer of Sugar. It's all mix. I will be letting you know which all products I'll be using. So I have just washed my face and I have just moisturized my face with this Jovis Premium and anti-aging serum, anti-aging face moisturizer serum. I've just used this after a face wash, and now I will be, if you have got a lot of porous skin and you want toning is very important. So I usually do toning with this Himalaya product. This is a very nice toner. You could use this toner after your face wash. And also if this I will be letting you know, this is the latest face cleanser that has come in the market. It's of Dabur Gulabari, and this is 3-in-1. It is cleanse, moisturize and refresh. It's a very nice one. I have been using this lately and it's really nice results. So you could try that one. And now I will be using the Peach Illuminator Moisturizer along with my Swiss Beauty Mousse which I bought. This is something that I bought. I will be mixing both these and applying it on my face here all over. So I'm just showing it to you. I'm putting it on my hand palette. A little moisturizer. Try to put all your products right on your hand palette before you put it on your face, because this is the palette which tests, and it is a skin test that you can do on your skin. Certain times some skin are very allergic, and you don't know what reacts on your skin. So you just try to mix it on your hand. This is the best palette you can have. And I am just mixing a little of the mousse. You see this? And I am going to mix it with my makeup brush. This is a little illuminating. It will give you a little shine on your face. And now I'll be putting it. It's for the morning wear. It is not too heavy for the morning. If you want, you can use a primer, but this mousse already has a primer in it. It is a primer mousse foundation. So you don't need additional primer to be put. See, it's giving a very natural tone and it is not looking extra that I am putting. It's for the morning wear. It doesn't show much. Put evenly all over on your face. And now I will be blending it with my blender. Beauty blender. You see that? Especially under the eye area, because this is the area where you need maximum coverage, and your nose area, the side, the lip sides, and of course the neck, so that it's spread evenly all over your face. Yeah, now it's done. See, it doesn't look too heavy. It is just apt for the day. And now I'll be putting a little powder. Face powder is very important in humid situation. In a humid moisture and a type of a climate, you need to put little powder so that it doesn't give that oily and sweaty feeling on your face. So I'll be using I have two powders, so I will be showing you which I will be using. Most probably I'll be using I'll just show it to you. Which one? I have these face powders. I'll show you. I have one in the, I'm going to use sugar today because I'm using a very natural wear. Otherwise, if I go, I prefer the other one. This is the Nykaa. I'll be using the Nykaa one, and I'll show you how I'm doing it. You can see. It takes away all the oil and your sweat on your face, from your face. Gives you a very nice smooth finish, especially during monsoon time. This is basically a monsoon makeup because this time it's a lot of humidity. There is perspiration, so to get away all these things, this is what you need to follow the regime for everyday makeup, the monsoon everyday makeup. You see that it gives a complete finished look and a very nice and a soft smooth look. So now I'm going to close this, and then we are going to be putting I'm going to do my eyebrows. Eyebrow brush is this one. I usually use the one which has got the slanting this thing for the eyebrows, and I'm going to be using my eyebrow palette. Powder. In monsoon time I prefer the powder palettes. So this is my powder eyebrows palette. I'm going to be using my mirror because for eyebrows you need to have a very so you see that you just have to fill where you need to fill. Preferably use a dark brown powder, eyebrow powder, that gives you a very natural tone to your otherwise a black would make it look too out and loud. So you see this, just fill the areas which need to be filled. So you see that I've just done the lining from here, and I've done it from here, and I've filled the areas. So that's it for the eyebrows. And now I will be putting I got this Swiss Beauty Intense Gel Kajal. This is a smoky eye look. It'll give you a very nice smoky eye makeup done with this. So you can use Swiss Beauty. This is a very nice shade that has come for the eye pencil. I will be using it. You see that? It's a very soft pencil for your eyes to glide on. Just do the windshield effect on the eyes like this, the windshield effect. This is it. It's very light, and then you need to just use the brush to merge it. See the merging? It gives it's a very nice morning wear look for a monsoon time. You can do it every day because Indian skin needs a little toning and a little coverage to give a smooth and a blended look. So you see that? And also I have one beautiful pencil from this is from Nykaa. I got this from Nykaa, and this is a glamour eye pencil, very pretty pencil. You can try it on. I am wearing this, so it's matching with this color of mine, so I will be using this also just to outline my eyelids. You see that? This gives a more defined look to the eyes. I'm not wearing a eyeliner today, so I'll be just doing this because it's a soft morning days monsoon makeup, so I'm not putting too much on liquid eyeliners because it's rainy time, rainy season, and though there are waterproof eyeliners also, but I still prefer to put on this pencil because these are better in monsoon time. So that's I've done, and now I will be putting my kajal, which I have got from, again, Swiss Beauty. I will show you. This is the packaging that it comes in. It's a Swiss Beauty Deep Black Kajal. It is a non-transfer kajal, and it comes in this packaging. You see, it's in a very beautifully packed. I'll be using this. Just leave my brush. So this is the pencil, and they have a sharpener with this. So I'll just use the kajal. It's in the waterline. So you see the kajal, it's so nicely done. It's very soft, very, very soft. You see the lead, it's so soft. It's really nice. And it gives a very deep, intense black color. So that's to this. This is a very nice kajal. I think I would recommend everybody to have this kajal. It comes with a sharpener, and it is in the sliding box like this. It's Swiss Beauty Intense Deep Black Kajal. It's a non-transfer kajal. So you can try this. And then I would be using my, I also got this, I'll show you. I got this beauty bag from Swiss Beauty. It's very nice. You can try having this also. You can keep all your beauty products in this. It's a very pretty bag. You see the beautiful design on this. The shoe, the stiletto with all the cosmetics in it is beautiful, with a beautiful butterfly. So I really, really liked it. And I'm going to be using my Swiss Beauty. I got a Snapshot mascara. Very nice. It's a Snap Ready Lash Look mascara. I'm going to be using this today. I haven't tried it. I thought I will show it to you. It comes in a beautiful packing like this. Very pretty. So probably I would just glide it on. It's very nice. It gives you lashes a defined look and separates out all your lashes. You see the difference? See the difference? So this is also a must-have. Swiss Beauty has lovely products. I mean, I would really request and recommend you guys who are, who love doing makeup, who are makeup freaks, who like to do makeup, go for outings. It's everyday makeup wear. So it's a very nice, economical, and it's affordable. It's very nice. So this is my mascara I have showed you. And then I would be just putting a lipper, just a lipper. Now my lipper would be, maybe I will show you the lipper that I have. I have kept these two lippers, and I also have a little highlighter lipstick. It's a highlighter lipstick. It comes in a lipstick form. So if you want to highlight your cheeks, I'm just doing it with my fingertip only. Just a little dab, 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 dab. And you see the shine? Just a little dab, 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 dab here. And you see the shine here. Just a little dab, 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 dab. If you want a little more, it's really nice. And a little on your nose. A little on the chin, and a little on your forehead. That's it. It's a nice one. It's from Calabar, I think. Yes, this is it's from Calabar. Yeah, got this long time back. This is a very old one. So I will be now putting my lip shade. I have these two lippers from Maybelline. I got this one, and I rather have just this one, and I got another one. These are the threes. This is from Maybelline. This is the liquid one, and these are the regular lipsticks that you get. This is a liquid lipstick, and this is a regular lipstick. So I'm going to be mixing 3 lipsticks today. First, I'll be putting my liquid one, and I will be using my Color Bar will be using my lip liners first. I'll see which lip liner goes with this. Probably this one. I'm going to be using this lip liner. It outlines, it defines, gives you a good outline to your lips. And I'm going to be using the liquid one. Then now I'm going to be using these 2 colors. I still didn't get the color I wanted, so I'm going to be using this shade. And if you feel there is a lot of lipper, so you just can use a tissue to dab the extra lipper on your lips. And you see it gives a very nice look. It blends well. You see that? It stays on longer on your lips. So I hope you guys like my makeup. This is called the Monsoon Makeup. And do try it at home. And must try the Swiss Beauty products. So do like, share, and of course subscribe. Thank you guys.